Today's episode is King Pig Fails Cooking Club.
Hello class. And welcome to Cooking Club. I'm Mr. Terrence the Cafeteria Man, and I will be your teacher for Cooking Club. You can cook anything you want. So, you may begin.
I'm going to make cheese quesadilla.
We are going to make raviolis.
I'm going to make French toast.
I am going to make bagel pizza.
I am going to make a poison sandwich. Ha 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 ha.
Alright class. Time's up. It's time to show me your meals. Open. Wow. Very tasty. Chuck, that was the most awesome cheese quesadilla ever made. And for that, I will give you an A+.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Terrence the Cafeteria Man.
You're welcome, Chuck. Next is the blues. Yum. Jay, that was a good raviolis you've made. And for that, you will get an A-.
You are the greatest, Mr. Terrence the Cafeteria Man.
You're welcome, Jay. Next is the bomb. Wow. Delicious. Bomb, that was a very great French toast with syrup and cream.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Terrence the Cafeteria Man.
You're welcome, Bomb. Next is Stella. Wow. The bagel pizza is very good. And for that, I will give you an A.
That's cool. Thank you, Mr. Terrence the Cafeteria Man.
You're welcome, Stella. And last but not least, is King Pig. R.
Ha 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 ha. You spitting.
Oh. King Pig, that was the worst poison sandwich you've ever made. That's it. You get an F-. And you failed Cooking Club. Go to the principal's office right now.
So King Pig, why are you here?
I made a poison sandwich in Cooking Club.
Oh my god. King Pig, you know that you're not allowed to make poison sandwich. That's it. You are suspended for 24 weeks. Go home right now.
King Pig, how dare you fail Cooking Club at school? That's it. You are grounded for 150 weeks. Go upstairs to your room now. No desserts for you.